But I also really wanted to shine a light on what's been your most impactful initiative. And I believe it's this field service app, but would love it if you could take a few moments to give us some detail on this, please.
Oh, absolutely, it is, yeah. And what I really like about our MES app, or you could say Swiss Army knife, or field service technicians, is that it is really their personal assistant. And what it does is it basically allows our technicians to task a bot with all kind of repairs or other things they previously would have had to call the call center for. And what I really like is that it's not really a classical RPA project, but really the idea here is, I have to actually tell the story, because we were sitting with the another Monday guys in an office. And we were thinking what to do next. And I think one of my people said, what would be cool if our field service technicians had their own bots. And then another one, they said, yeah, you know what? Why don't we just do it? And that's how the MES app came to life. And, the cool thing is it has all kinds of benefits. Our people really love it. Our people in the field really don't want to miss a MES app anymore. And our call center agents are actually happy. They don't have to take all those internal calls anymore because those calls were really rather annoying to them. And our finance people are happy because 80% of the workforce we had previously into those internal call business can now do customer-facing calls. So, it was a win-win-win tool we had. And the good thing about that win-win-win tool was it was really done quickly, And the pro about the RPA technology here is that we don't have a static app that's just out there. Instead, we do have an app that can be, that can have new functions every day. And what we really do have now is a community of field service technicians that really think about new features that would be helpful. And, they tell us, that's what we need. And then we have some kind of voting, which feature should be next. And then we just integrate it. And that really gives us momentum as well. So that's why that's why I believe MES app is a really good use case and is actually my favorite one.
Interesting. And does that also translate to, or what kind of business benefits does it translate to? You mentioned your customer service reps have to spend less time keying in data, responding to the field techs. Does it also equate to some additional amount of calls maybe your field service technicians make because they don't have to spend as much time keying things in, confirming services back up? What kind of business results?
Well, the field service technicians can spend more time with the customer because they don't have to call a call center anymore. So for them, it saves some time when they're at the customer's home. And for our call center agents, well, to give you a number, before we had the app, we had about 3,000 internal calls from our technicians per day. Now it's only 500. So you can really see there is a lot of business impact here.